Hi, it's a blockchain Bart. Today I'm going to be showing you the solution to the assignment I gave in the last video. On the assignment we said create a package named calculator. Within this package, create a module also named our calculator. And we've done that already. That's already here. And define 5 functions in the module, 4 internal functions and 1 public functions. The internal function should be named add, subtract, multiply, and rise. So let's start with our internal functions. Let's name it add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Then each internal function should accept arguments of type U8. So let's give each of our function arguments multiple by A and B of type U8, B of type U8 also. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste. Then after that, you say perform the respective operations adds, subtract, multiply, divide on the argument and return the results as a value of type U32. So I'm going to add, which you say let's and call to A plus is then we're going to return U32 from all the functions. So let me come here. It's U32 from all the functions. Let's copy and paste. So we can now return ants as U32. Here you can say let ants is equal to A minus B and return and as U32. So let me come here, copy it, paste, choose here to multiply, from here, divide. Then after that, we're going to have a public function named answer. Or we can have a public function named answer. It's also going to accept 2 arguments, like I say call them A, and they're going to be of type U16. So we use 16 or B of type O16 also. Then I'm going to pass these arguments to each of the internal function. So I provided to U8. So I'm going to call each of the function. Let's say add is going to accept A and B. So before that, let me define 2 variables. Let me call A1 in A as U8 in next one with B1 to B as U8. Yeah, we're going to pass it to each of the function. So we're going to pass in A1 and B1. since they're going to be of our function is going to be accepting arguments of type u, it's so I can get the return values or the return values. So let me call let's add equals to the answer that comes from that function. Then let's subtract be equal to subtract a way to passing a1 and b1. The next this way multiply please take a1 on v1 also. What next to be divide also it's taking a1 and b1. After that, it said collect all the returned values from the normal function. We've done that. Then return all the values as type u64. So we're going to be returning the 4 values of type as type h. So we'll come here, the column, and put in a bracket to return different values. No, here I return only one value. So to return multiple values, you have to put them a tuple. So in a bracket, so I'm going to return u64 4 times u64 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 and also u64. So I'm going to come here return them. So I can just return here divide. So I'm going to put them in the bracket or say returning multiple values. I'm going to put them in the bracket and I'm going to divide this time as u64. Or you can come here also and change to as u64 here. Come here also. Let me copy and paste. Let me put these two like this. Then once we're done, add that they are going to return multiply as u64. And that's all. So we've returned the values and that's it for the assignment. So let's come here and write tests to test this function out. So come into our test and I'm going to import our calculator module. Then I'm also going to bring in the base function from the debug module. So I'm going to need this. So first of all, let me access the public function from our calculator module. So I'm going to access the answer function. Then I'm going to pass in the arguments. It accepts 2 arguments, which are 8 and 4. Then I'm going to pick up the answers. So if I was to be returning its single value, I could just do let and be equals to calculator. But right now we are returning 4 values. So I'm going to be picking up those 4 values and I'm going to be using brackets a tuple. So I'm going to be picking them up as add, subtract, multiply and divide. So let me print out these answers. So we're going to do debug prints, and I'll printing. First of all, I'll printing add. Let me copy and paste. Then subtract, multiply and divide. So after that, let me build my package. I'm going to once we move build So as you have seen, our package built successfully. After that, I'm able to run three wolf test our functions. Would they works properly? So most also tests. So yeah, if you look at it, we passed our tests and we pointed out the answer. We computed elements of 8 and 4, and here 8 plus 4 gives us, so that's the first point. Second is 8 minus 4, which is 4. The third is 8 multiplied by 4, that's 32, and the last is 8 divided by 4, which is so that's all for your assignments. So I advise you go back and practice a lot. So the more you practice, the more you learn how to code. If you keep watching tutorials without practicing, it won't help. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about stocks, so the basics of stocks. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Just in case you have any question, you can just drop them in the comment section. Thank you.